Buongiorno, my name is Camilla Lunelli and I represent with my cousins the third generation of our family at the helm of Ferrari Trento. I think the pairing with our Ferrari Perlé is great.
Hello everyone, this is Alessia Travaglini, fifth generation of Travaglini family from Gattinara. I'm not a super chef, but today I cooked for you a traditional recipe from Piedmont. I can say better North Piedmont area.
Hello Japan! Here we are at La Foresteria Planeta, and I'm Francesca Planeta, and I'm with our chef Angelo Pumiglia, and we're going to present a traditional recipe of Sicily, but especially of the family, which is called spatola alle erbe, which is a scammer fish with herbs.